Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your name and username on Duolingo. So what you're going to want to do first off is be on the home page right here, and then you're going to want to look to the bottom of the page for the little women's faces. You're going to want to click on that. That's going to bring up your profile page. Then you're going to want to click on the cog in the top right hand corner there. That's going to bring up your settings page. You're then going to see your name and username. What you're going to want to do is click on whichever one you want to change. And then once you've got that, it's going to bring up the keyboard. You're going to want to type in your name or username, the new one you want. And then once you have typed in, you're going to want to click done in the top right hand corner. That's going to bring you back to the profile page. Then if you want to change your other like name or username, click back on the top right hand corner, and then you're going to want to click on the new username, etc. that you want to change. Type in your new one right there. Same thing for both of them. Click done on the top right hand corner. And then once that's finished, you'll be able to see that your name and username has changed. You can see at the top bit there, and if you go on the leaderboards, etc., you'll be able to see your name or username has changed. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more videos similar on Duolingo and other apps like it. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.